What happens when you don't receive a compliment but pushes it back again with a compliment of your own? We are An-Dei and this is our truth. We are happy to share it if you want. So, what happens when you receive a compliment for someone, or they say, I love you, or you are beautiful, and I truly enjoy being with you. You are an amazing person. And you don't accept it, but right away you say, oh, I love you too. I really enjoy being with you too. You're also an amazing person. Sven-Alex has this it's like a built-in system in his programming to whenever he receives something, if someone says, I love you, he's programmed to say, I love you too. But lately, he has been experimenting with actually truly receiving a compliment. And what happens? Here's a person, another person, and when one person sends out a compliment and it's not received, it is kind of counter or balanced with another compliment, it never reaches its home or its target or its destination. Because what happens, as Sven-Alex has discovered, is that when you accept, because this programming to automatically or frantically say, I love you too, to shoot back the compliment is based upon fear. Because to receive a compliment you have to open up and you have to let it penetrate you, permeate you. You have to let it inside. You have to truly relax and accept the compliment. And this is about receiving. And the thing is, when you totally open up to and receive a compliment, if someone says to you, I truly love you, you are beautiful. If you stay in silence, if you stay in a receptive mode and truly receive this compliment, this ray of love, this flow of love coming from source through another person to you, through you, to source, you will experience something quite extraordinary. So when you allow this compliment to flow, it flows into you. It can fill your entire body with yummy sensations. And since source is part of you, it will reach source and it will go through you. So this compliment comes from source, through this person, to you, through you. So source complements itself. But this can only happen if you're open to totally accept the compliment. This goes for anything. This could be seen as a tantric perspective, a tantric way of life. If you drink a glass of water, you're actually making love to the water. The water is making love to you. If you breathe, when you breathe, you're making love to the air, and the air is making love to you. And creation is making love to itself all the time. So if you see your life as one giant intercourse or lovemaking, it may instill some new experiences and new ways of look upon life and what life gives to you. Anyway, when you receive a compliment, just receive it, be open to it, and say, if you're going to say anything, say thank you. Because this flow is to you, into you, through you. Then, of course, then you can give this person or another person a compliment as well. Another time, when that compliment has had time to settle in your body. And it's truly an amazing experience. Then you can give compliments and send out love through compliments. I truly, truly, truly love you. You're the most beautiful person I've ever met. I feel comfortable in your presence. You light up the world. The world is better. The world is a better place because you are in it. We are An-Dei, and this is our truth. You are, as always, welcome to share it if you want. And we love you just the way you are. You are, in truth, a magical miracle.